Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today I am going to tell you how you can start to trade in binary options so that you can get the best results. But first let me introduce you guys to my Telegram signals trading group. Here I provide 7 to 10 daily trading signals with 90 to 95% accuracy. You can check the feedbacks of our members there. Message me on Telegram to join my signals trading group for free. Link will be in the description. Starting binary trading as a beginner involves several steps. 1. Educate yourself. Learn about binary trading concepts, including how options work, market analysis, risk management, and trading strategies. Utilize online resources, tutorials, and books to build your knowledge. 2. Choose a reliable broker. Research and select a reputable binary options broker. Look for a broker with a user-friendly platform, competitive fees, and a good reputation. Ensure they are regulated by relevant authorities to protect your investments. 3. Open a trading account. Sign up for an account with your chosen broker. Follow their account opening process, which typically involves providing personal information and verifying your identity. 4. Practice with a demo account. Many brokers offer demo accounts that allow you to practice trading with virtual money. Use this opportunity to familiarize yourself with the platform, test different strategies, and gain confidence before trading with real money. 5. Develop a trading plan. Define your trading goals, risk tolerance, and strategy. Determine factors such as the assets you want to trade, the timeframes you'll trade on, and your entry and exit criteria. 6. Start small. Begin trading with a small amount of capital that you can afford to lose. As a beginner, it's essential to start with modest investments while you gain experience and confidence in your trading abilities. 7. Manage risk. Implement risk management strategies to protect your capital. This includes setting stop-loss orders, diversifying your trades, and avoiding over-leveraging. 8. Stay informed. Stay updated on market news, economic events, and trends that could impact your trades. Continuously educate yourself and adapt your trading strategy as needed. 9. Review and learn. Regularly review your trades to analyze what went well and what didn't. Learn from your mistakes and successes to improve your trading skills over time. 10. Be patient and disciplined. Successful trading takes time, patience, and discipline. Avoid making impulsive decisions based on emotions, and stick to your trading plan. Remember that binary trading involves inherent risks, and there's no guarantee of profits. Only trade with money you can afford to lose, and consider seeking advice from financial professionals if needed. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please make sure you drop a like and subscribe the channel for more such videos.